You know that Tubey toys out of this world.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today we have a new posable figure to add to our Jakks Pacific Incredibles 2 collection. We have Frozone. Super awesome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys if you haven't already. And if you're new here, don't forget to let us know in the comments below. And if you're the first person, I want to know that you're first also. Hit that notification bell so every time we post a new video or giveaway, you are the first one to know. Let's get started. So I have almost all of our Jakks Pacific. I have all of our Jakks Pacific posable figures here. I'm actually missing those 2 packs that it came out. They're supposed to be available at Target and at Walmart. I haven't been to Walmart yet. I've only been to Target and I haven't found them. They're the ones with Jack, Exploding Jack, and Dash, because I know they didn't come out with a single Dash. They really should have. But let's get started and just open up Frozone because I love him so much. He's so cool. I cannot wait to see this movie. Today is Thursday and it is the day before the movie comes out. I know a lot of people are probably going tonight. I am not going tonight because I have little ones, but I am going on Friday. We have tickets for 12:15. I'm super psyched. If you guys want to see like a vlog about it, maybe we'll record it, like us going to the movie theater. I don't know if you're interested in seeing it, but seeing what we do, but I don't think anybody cares. So anyway, so let's take a look at this box. So as you can see, you can collect them all. Look at the bottom right here. Like the ones I was just talking about, they have Dash, Jack, Exploding Jack, and the raccoon. So I really think they should have made Jack on his own. He really can stand alone as his own figure. Violet did, of course. So I can't wait to find these. Have anybody found these yet? Let me know in the comments below. I keep looking on even Amazon because that's where I got Frozone. So Frozone is Bob's best friend. He has 5 points of articulation, and I like his box. His box kind of reminds me of like a box that maybe Barbie or Ken would come in, and this is very different than the boxes that the other Jakks Pacific figures arrived in. They came in like a clear box, like a 2-piece box. This box is actually a cardboard box. Need scissors for him. All right, now he's out of the box. He actually feels a lot more different than the other Jakks Pacific figures. He's very hard. He's just like a hard body. He's not wearing a costume that is removable, so we won't see him in any we can't put him in other costumes. So it says we have 5 points of articulation. So we have a closed fist right here. Here's the first point, second, third, fourth, and the fifth. So he really he's not as posable as the other ones, but he is in his freeze pose. Let's get this garbage out of here. I got him on Amazon. It was under $16. I want to say 15 bucks. Now, this wasn't sold through Amazon. It was from an Amazon seller, but it was Prime. So if you're still looking for this figure and you don't want to spend a lot, I think they had some left. I'm not sure, but when I saw him, I grabbed it because it's the first time I saw it at all. I have not seen him anywhere else. Does he stand up? I think he will because he is a hard body figure. Yes, he does stand up, which I totally love. Now, if you have not seen the other videos that we have posted about our Jakks Pacific dolls, I'm going to go through them quickly for you. So in case you're looking to purchase them for yourselves, take our review. But you know what? You're your best critic. So if you want these dolls, I say grab them. I really love the way they are. Let's start with baby Jack. Now Jack came in a 2-pack with his daddy, Mr Incredible. He is wearing a nice shiny super suit. Even though it does not have the Incredible logo, it's his little sleeper pajama that he's wearing, but it's nice and shiny. He's so cute. He can turn his head around and around. His arms go up and down. They could go 360 degrees, but his big baby head is in the way. His legs, he can stand up. Let's see if he can stand next to Frozone. You gotta position them the right way so he could sit flat. Let's see if he can go. No, he can't. He has a cute little hair over here, his little tuft of hair. And that's all he does. Let's try to stand him up by his ear and lead him on his Uncle Frozone. The next one is Edna. Edna Mode. Edna is awesome. She is wearing her outfit from the first movie. Now, we saw in our Thinkway Toys videos that she's wearing a different outfit. That might be the outfit that she's wearing in the new film. We will find out tomorrow. But this outfit's really cool. It's almost like a samurai type sleeve. I love it. Feels like leather, but it's not. She is super awesome. She also has like the Incredibles logo on her underwear, which I thought was so super cute. And I love her hairstyle and her glasses. You could put her glasses up and down. I'm pretty sure you can remove them. She is so super cute. And she comes on her own in her own set. Love it. As far as posing, you can bend her legs like this up and down. She does not bend at the knee. Her arms go up and down. Her head twists 360 degrees. And she can't really stand on her own. I wish they came with stands. That's my only pet peeve with these figures. They really should have come with stands. Especially if you want to make them like pose like in an action pose. Because they don't do that. No capes, darling. No capes. Alright, next is the set. This is the Toys R Us exclusive set with Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl. This is Elastigirl super suit from before when before she got married to Mr. Incredible, and now it's like back again because she is trying to revitalize the love for the supers in part 2. In part 2, she takes the role of the superhero mom, going to work every day, and Mr. Incredible becomes Mr. Mom. Now, this set is really awesome. It's actually a Toys R Us exclusive. If you see this in store, I doubt you're going to find it now because I believe all Toys R Us stores are closing in the US June 27th. I bought an extra one for myself just to keep in the box because I'm crazy like that. And I got a really good deal. If you happen to see it in store, grab it now, especially because they're all 50 to 70% off. So here we go. Here we have the Poseable. He's going to lay down right now. I have Poseable Elastigirl. Her legs pose so awesome. She is so cool. If you're going to get this set, if you're going to get any of the sets, I would grab these because of her cool outfit. What's so funny about these figures that her hand snaps off and on. I did this by mistake in another video, but it goes back in perfectly. She has multiple points of articulation. Her head turns around and around. Her bodysuit is super awesome. It's a nice silver finish, and her sleeves are so glittery. I love them. These are just like little leg warmers, and here are her little booties, and her booties do come off, and her perfect little footy. There's a split in the back of the boot to get them back on and off pretty easily. She can cross her legs if you want her to. She does not stretch though. That would be awesome if she did. Her hands move up and down. You could twist them too. She's bendable at the elbow. Her legs bend beautifully. These are super poseable figures. Let's have her sit next to her son. What's super awesome too is that they came with these really awesome masks. Now her mask is a nice glittery mask. It differs to the one that she has originally. As you can see, it's a removable mask. There is an adhesive on the back so it could let it stick to the face. And it doesn't collect like any hairs, which is really, really, really cool. It sticks perfectly to her face. She's so pretty. I love her hair. We'll keep that mask on. Let's see how long it could stay on throughout the video. And here we have Mr. Incredible. He is massive. He's a massive doll. And he is pretty poseable. He's bendable at the elbows. His legs do not bend at the knee, but you can prop him up, like bend them like this. His boots do come off. They are split in the back. Here we got the boot off, and you can put it back on. The little tiny baby feet he has. Little lady feet it looks like. You get the boot back on. His hands really don't move at all, but his arms twist around. He has blue gloves on, but they're molded on. His head moves around and around. Let's sit him down, and he comes with this little teeny tiny mask for his very, very thin nose. He almost looks like Hercules or Emperor's Got His Groove Back. I forgot his name. The Emperor's New Groove. Not Stella Got Her Groove Back, but the Emperor's New Groove. I'm sorry. I'm like totally running on empty here. So tired. Okay, here we have his face. I'm Mr. Incredible. My tiny, tiny nose. Okay, I'm having like really, really bad lighting issues. So let's move this really like super fast. So let's move on to Violet. Ah, poor Elastigirl just fell. So here we have Violet. She is my favorite doll, I think, that has come out in a long time. She is just gorgeous. Look at her face. She's like the sweetest look on her face. Her violet eyes, her violet hair with like these beautiful like silver undertones. She's gorgeous. She's so beautiful. Unfortunately, her hair is not surviving in the toy box. So that's why I really, really stress putting her on a stand if you want to just keep her really, really beautiful. She is so poseable too. She has multiple points of articulation. Her wrist twists, her arms go up and down. She's bendable at the elbow. Her head spins around and around, and she can pose in any pose that you want to put her in. Her legs bend, her booties come off, and I love these booties so much. They're the same as Elastigirl's booties. They're split in the back again to come on and off, and she has like the most perfect feet. Her costume comes off just like Elastigirl's. She's just so, so, so pretty. I have to try to find some clothes and see what I can do and put her in some streetwear. Has anybody switched out their clothes yet? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys if you haven't already. Subscribing only gets you to our videos faster and to our giveaways faster. I'm going to announce a giveaway tomorrow and I have a bunch of Incredibles toys to give away. Oh my gosh, guys, you will not want to miss this one. Well, let's take a look at Elastigirl. She is the same body style and posability as the Elastigirl with the Elastigirl outfit on. She is wearing her Mrs. Incredible outfit, the Incredibles actual team outfit. She is super poseable. You can get an idea of what her actual body style looks underneath. It's not like a Barbie where it's like kind of rubbery. This is a very, very hard plastic. And there are joints in them to help them pose. So again, her wrist twists, her arms bend, her head can spin, and she is just super poseable. Her eyes are just gorgeous too. Look at her eyes. Their face, oh, so they did so well, Jakks Pacific. Bravo, bravo. Now, last but not least, let's take a look at Mr. Incredible in his red supersuit. The logo is very, very different in his blue one. Now we have his red one. Now, if you notice, Elastigirl's logo is also an oval. The Incredibles logo is an oval. And Mr. Incredible's logo is that eye, or upside down exclamation point. And if you combine those two together, you have the oval and the eye to make them a team after they were married. I think that's so cool. And of course, with the kids, maybe each color represents maybe Violet, Jack, and Dash, but I don't know. If there are any theories out there, or is there an actual reason why this logo looks that way? Let me know in the comments below. He also is very, very poseable. He is such a broad, huge figure. His shoulders are huge. He can bend his arms. He can bend his arms too. Oh no, look. It's cracking, this fake leather. You can bend his arms at the elbow. You cannot bend his legs, but you move them at the hip. And he can sit down nice and turn his head. His arms are not movable, which I think is so crazy. Other than that, he is a pretty awesome figure. He also comes with a black mask, which is like super duper tiny for his like little thin nose. Oh my gosh, I lost the mask. And I just want to show you guys the raccoon that terrorizes baby Jack. Here he is. Now he came with the exploding Jack doll. This has nothing to do with these poseable ones, but I just wanted to show him because he's so cute because of his fuzzy tail. He is only movable by his head, and he has a super soft tail. And he comes with the doll that lights up and talks and everything by Jakks Pacific. He's super cute. There you have it, folks. We have Frozone now added to our collection. He is awesome. Let us know what you think of him in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, please click that notification bell so every time we post a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Can't wait one more day. Woohoo! Bye, guys.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah! Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.